wind deflectors on the Z3. So the other day I was scrolling through Facebook and I found a seller named Kate who was selling custom wind deflectors for the Z3, probably at the best price I found throughout the market. If you're in the market for a deflector, you already know used OEM ones go for like $250 and the ones on eBay, Amazon go for like $250, $300. Thankfully, Kate was only selling them for $153 with shipping. I went ahead and ordered them. The parts already arrived in 3 to 4 days. I have it laid down right there. So yeah guys, let's get into today's video and install the deflectors. So this is what you get in the package. You get the middle piece, you get the side pieces which go on the hook. You get high quality hardware. You get 4 Velcro straps which straps to the hooks. And also, I think Kate sent me a gift for being one of the first persons to order this. It's a little Z3 keychain made from the same material as these. So thank you Kate, really appreciate that. That's a really cool piece. I'm gonna go ahead and install that and have it as my keychain. As far as the quality, these look really great. Thick plastic which is gonna stop it from flapping around. The edges seem to be laser cut. Is the thickness. On our website you had multiple options. You could go tinted or clear. Also the stock ones have a Z3 engraving in here. I know she has options for custom engraving too, but I didn't do that. I just went with tinted clear because for me that looks the cleanest. But on the side you could either do tint, clear, custom engraving, Z3 engraving. Yeah, that's about it. Pretty sure she's selling these too on her website. I really haven't checked. But if you're a Z3 fan, this is pretty cool. As far as tools go, you won't need too much. You just need a 10mm socket and a 5mm Allen key, and that's pretty much it. Installation shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, I guess. But yeah guys, let's start installing these and see how it looks on the car. So first things first, the smaller pieces are supposed to lay on the bigger piece on top like that. And then you loosely screw in the bolts until you're completely done installing it. So let's go ahead and do that. Nice high quality hardwares. I'm actually a fan of that. I don't like it when they use cheap hardware, especially for something which is gonna stick out and everyone can see. So you put the bolts in, the washer in, and loosely screw it up. Same on the other side. The smaller piece goes on the top. So now let's put it in the car, position it how we like it, and install the straps. This part you gotta decide how you'd like it. Would you like it to go down or higher? Completely up to you. I'm probably gonna have it like right here. I think I'm gonna start with the inner ones first because that's gonna be easier. It's gonna hold it up easier. So let's try that first. Alright, I'm gonna loosely do it and really strap it in a second. So the Velcro side stays outside. Put it in, loop it. Like I said guys, I'm gonna loosely do it and then make the adjustments. Man, this is looking nice already. So Velcro side outside. So once you have it inside, you can kind of position how you'd like it. To me that looks pretty cool for now. So I'm gonna go ahead, try to loop the straps around. That way it looks much cleaner. And once that is done, I will get back to you guys. Once you loop it in, you have to kind of turn it so the nice part stays outside and it doesn't look like that. This one was kind of challenging, but yeah, you just install them and slowly keep turning them out until this side comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick and show you guys the finished product. So basically this is how you do it. Just slowly turn it, and that way the Velcro is not sticking out. Alright guys, I just looped the straps around. Not gonna lie, that was probably the hardest part of the whole installation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up. Final step, just use a socket to hold the bolt in the back and just screw it in with the Allen key. I wouldn't go too crazy with tightening it, but this seems pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. Bolts really bring it together. Now you can already tell, pretty sturdy. The wind's not going to be able to flap it around. Finally guys, just clean it up with some glass cleaner because you're going to get a whole bunch of fingerprints on there. Just clean it up, make it look nice and clean. Also only use microfiber. It also says that in the instruction to only use microfiber to avoid scratches. There you go guys, super clean, nice and slick, lots of privacy. No one's gonna be able to look in there from the back anymore unless they're like in a truck or something. So let's go for a test drive now and see the difference it makes. Would you look at that guys, you can actually run it both inside and outside. I really like how the hoops look, so I'm gonna run it inside for now. But yeah, this is how it looks guys, you get to choose inside or outside. Just came back from the test drive guys, super happy with the product. It feels like a little air bubble in here, much more less air in the cabin. I can hear the music better now and also take phone calls. Other than that guys, as far as rear visibility goes, it does affect it a little bit, but it's the same as having tint on your back window. And I drive this car mostly during the days with the top down, so it really doesn't matter. But if you daily your car and if you drive a lot during nighttime, I would definitely consider getting the light tint. I would definitely recommend you guys buy one, especially if you're on the fence. This is the best price out there. The seller's name is Skate. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. So yeah guys, super hot outside, 100 degrees in Southern California. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, motivates me to make more videos. Other than that guys, I will see you guys in the next one.